Hello, and welcome to our channel, where we bring you helpful tips and tricks to enhance your social media experience. Today, we will be discussing how to add people on the Hide Live and Story from list in Instagram. This is a useful feature if you want to hide your stories and live streams from certain people. In this video, we'll show you how to do it in a few easy steps. To get started, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Next, tap on your profile picture icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, tap on the three stacked lines located at the top right corner of the screen to open the menu. From the menu, tap on Settings and Privacy. This option is usually listed as the first option in the menu. Scroll down and look for the Who Can See Your Content section. Under this section, tap on Hide Story and Live. Next, tap on Hide Story and Live From to select the accounts that you want to hide your stories and live streams from. Select the accounts that you want to hide your stories and live streams from. Once you've selected the accounts, tap on the arrow button located at the top left corner of the screen. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can add people to your Hide Live and Story from list on Instagram. This feature is great if you want to keep your content private from certain people. We hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful content like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.